I want to do problem number 21 off of page 216 of our textbook. In exercises 21 through 26, refer to the accompanying table, which describes probabilities for groups of 5 drivers. The random variable x is the number of drivers in a group who say that they text while driving. Mean and standard deviation. For groups of 5 drivers, find the mean and standard deviation for the numbers of drivers who say they text while driving. We're also going to identify any significant values. So again, I want to use my calculator to find the mean and the standard deviation. So I need to enter in the values of the random variable, so counting by whole numbers from 0 to 5, and now I need to enter in these probabilities. Always a good idea to check through and make sure we entered things in correctly before we move on, and it looks like I have. All right, so go over to one var stats, L1 and L2, and I have the mean at the top, which again I'm around to 1 decimal place, following our round off rule. My random variable are whole numbers, so 1 more decimal place than in that. So the mean is 2.1, and their standard deviation comes out to be 1.1. So now I can calculate these cutoff values. The mean plus 2 times the standard deviation. Well, that's 2.1 plus, well, 2 times 1.1 is 2.2 is 4.3. Any value of the random variable above 4.3, well, there is one of those, right? 4.3 happens somewhere between 4 and 5, making that our cutoff. 5 is significantly high. And now let's see if we have any values that are significantly low. The mean minus 2 times the standard deviation. Well, that comes out to almost a nonsensical answer, but it tells me what I need to know. It comes out to a negative value. Well, our random variable can't be a negative value, but it does tell me nothing is significantly low, right? Because no value of the random variable is even below 0, so certainly not below minus 0.1. No values are significantly low. All right, so we've identified one significantly high value, no significantly low values. That said, these probabilities are very concerning to me. I want this one to be much higher. You should not text while driving.